Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question.
Okay. So Nirvana asks, do you use the seals of Solomon in your practice? If so, how? So the seal of Solomon is sometimes called the Star of David is another name for it, six-pointed star. So it's super magical. It's a really magical symbol. If you are into working with symbols, it's a fantastic symbol to work with. It has a lot of meaning to it. It's two triangles interlocking, right? So you have the energy of triangles pointing up and pointing down. It's a beautiful sort of connected energy for working spiritually and inviting in, the help of spirits to do work on, for you or with you. It's a great way to sort of set an energy of connection for things like connecting on what I call the web of everything. Everything's connected in the web. So great for working that way. It's also a way to draw down blessings and send up thank you, send up gratitude and draw down blessings. So many ways that you can work with the Seal of Solomon. It's a beautiful way to work. So um, if that is something you like to do, you can check it out on my book. I think I talk about Seal of Solomon in the Candle Magic book. I'm kind of thinking that symbol's in there. And I talk about it in there, six-pointed stars. So you can check it out there and read all about it and see how to use it in your magic, how to use it on a layout for a candle, how to make a sigil with it. We talked about symbolic sigils in our sigil class the other day. So lots of ways that you can work with that.